Check this bird out. I think it's a bird. Oh yeah. Whoa. It's a, I think it's a crane, white crane. Or something. I think it's a white crane. I come out to my boat to see where the moon was at. I got this thing flying around right above me. Yeah, it's a white crane. It's like right above me. What the heck? Look at this, dude. Check this out. Well, I thought it was a hang glider. I thought somebody was like, not hang gliding, but a parachute. I thought it was a parachute. I thought somebody was parachuting. I was gonna catch it. It's a freaking bird. That's freaking awesome, dude. Check it out. You can hardly see it in this crappy ass skies. We had the blue ones. Oh, here's a hawk. Dude, they're out. Check this out. I got a hawk. What's up, hawk? I wave to them and they see me. But dude, that one's way up there. It's higher than the hawk. Check it out. It's higher than the hawk. Holy shitballs, dudes. This thing is like way up there. Wow. And it is fast. Whoa. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. And yeah, the moon's right here, people. Check this out. I hope you can see it. Here. I can't see nothing. I got a glare. I can't tell if I'm getting it or not. Trust me, it's up there.